Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andrew Velasquez and I'm so excited to walk you through this amazing Pride makeup tutorial. So let's get started. So thank you so much everybody for joining me. So excited to announce that Temptu Air is donating $10 of every purchase to the Trevor Project during Pride Month. So thank you so much Temptu for doing that. Now lastly, to remove this beautiful piece, I'm sad that I'm going to remove it, but I am definitely happy that I'm going to be using a Makeup Melt by Bliss to remove, and then the makeup wipes in this beautiful Pride packaging, which is oil free, to really get all the details on the eyeliner off. So thank you so much for watching, happy Pride Month, and stay tuned for the next tutorial.